Hello students, welcome to English class. Last day we started the lesson Learning the Game by Sachin Tendulkar. So in this lesson we saw that Sachin was talking about the people who influenced him or who encouraged him to be a cricketer, and the main one was his own brother named Ajit Tendulkar, and it was Ajit who introduced Sachin to the famous archraker sir. Okay, so in the beginning Sachin was studying in New English School, and that time we know that there is a reference to another school. What's the name of the school? What's the name of the school? Sardasram Vidya Mandir, and the speciality of the school mentioned where Ramakant Archrekar sir was giving training to students, especially in cricket. And also it is mentioned that he ran summer camps, and anyone was permitted to come and play, and if they played well, sir gave them training. That was the practice. So that's why Ajit took Sachin to Archrekar sir. Then what happened? In the first chance, Sachin couldn't perform well because the reasons are mentioned. He was very nervous. Then what did Ajit do? He requested Archrekar sir to give Sachin one more chance. And another thing was demanded. What was that? Sir should pretend that, what should he pretend? He goes away and he was not at all watching Sachin's performance. He agreed to. And then what happened? But Sachin thought that Sir was not there, so he could play well, and Sachin got selection for the summer camp. So it was because of Ajit, his own brother, Sachin got the selection, we can say. So in the next paragraphs, what were the difficulties he had to face while the practice was going on, and how did he overcome all these difficulties, and all these things are mentioned there. Okay, so we will come to the text. So in the next part, the details of the training are mentioned there. It was at Shivaji Park, and two sessions were there. One was morning, it is mentioned 7:30 to 10:30, and then afternoon practice, and it is mentioned till late evening. So morning and evening practices were there, and he mentions that the schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. So that shows that it was continuous and a strenuous practice, so he was very much tired. That's why the term used exhausted. Exhausted means tired. By the end of the day he would be very tired. And then he had to travel to Shivaji Park from his hometown, we can say, from his, it is mentioned, house in Bandra. So it was 40 minutes journey travel. So that itself was tiring. And then the beginning, for the first few days, who accompanied him? Ajit, his brother, accompanied. Accompanied means he also went along with the Sachin, because Sachin was not so familiar with the route and all, so in order to familiarize him. Then also it is mentioned that even during the bus journeys, his brother, that is Ajit, gave him certain hints of batting. So the term here used is nuances of batting. So if you refer to the glossary given here, given at the end of the lesson, you can see that nuances refers to the very slight differences, etc. So here simply what we can understand here is some simple tricks of batting, or some of the points which he should keep in mind while he bats, etc. And it is mentioned that he enjoyed this. It was not a boring affair for him. I always enjoyed these conversations a lot, because it is mentioned that these nuances, these hints given by his brother Ajit helped him a lot in his career. So that's why he mentioned that it served as a very personal coaching manual. That means it really helped him a lot. Then in the next paragraph, another difficulty was mentioned. What was that? He had only one set of cricket clothes for the practice. And we know that, okay, we may think that, okay, one set was enough. But here, what was the problem? Two sessions were there, morning 3 hours and evening also. And we know that naturally what will happen after the morning session practice, his dress will be dirty. So what did he do? After the morning session, what did he do? He washed the clothes, and the same clothes were used for the evening section in the afternoon. So he managed with the one set of cricket clothes. So he says that he could manage, even though it was, what did he do? It is mentioned after the first session, he would wash and dry the clothes and would wear the same in the afternoon. Then another difficulty was mentioned. What is that? See, it is okay. The first part we saw that, okay, he managed with one set of clothes, and even though it was difficult, he could adjust with it. Then by the middle of the summer camp, it is mentioned, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. The potential, he had the capabilities to be a good cricketer, but he should practice throughout the year, all year round. And we know in the summer camp it was only for 2 months. And we know that if we have to succeed, if we have to perform well, whatever the field, there should be continuous practice. So this matter was informed, but there was a difficulty. We know what was the difficulty. Sachin was studying in New English School, and that school didn't give much importance to cricket. So what was the possibility? He should change the school. That is, he should leave New English School Mumbai, and he should join or he should take admission in Sardasram Vidya Mandir, where Archrekar sir was the coach. So that is mentioned in the next paragraph. One evening, sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. He suggested, what was the suggestion? Can you imagine now? Okay, if Sachin was planning to take cricket seriously, he should be moved to Sardasam Vidya Mandir. He was in New English School, Mumbai, but there or the school didn't give much importance to cricket. So if he had to practice continuously, he should move to Sardasram Vidya Mandir, where Archrekar sir was the cricket coach. So sir thought that if he had to perform well, all his energy, the full potential, should be channeled into cricket. So and we have to know whether his father would agree too. Okay, but see here, Sachin's father, he was ready to admit Sachin in Sardasram Vidya Mandir. So, the last sentence here, my father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results. That was his advice. What was his advice? Do his best effort, do your best effort. And we know that in our case also, while we do something, we should do our best. Don't be bothered of the result. Why? Because it is to be given. We have to do our part. The rest is to be given by the Almighty. Then he accordingly he was moved to Sardasram Vidya Mandir because his father knew, his brother knew that Sachin had the potential to be a good cricketer and he needed continuous practice. So he was moved to Sardasram Vidya Mandir. Then in that school also it is mentioned he was practicing very well, continuous and regular practice, even though it was very tiresome. He was under, and the details are mentioned in the next paragraph. In my first year at Sardasram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. Like within 60 days, 55 practice matches. And the duration of the sessions are mentioned here. See, my summer sessions used to start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. From 7:30 to 4:30. My evening session would start at 5 p.m. after only a 30-minute break. So continuous practice. And during the break, sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food. That also shows his concern to Sachin. Okay, so from morning 7:30 to 4:30, from evening 5 to late evening, it is mentioned. Then between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. I'd have 5 more net sessions. So you can imagine like how difficult it would be to practice so continuously from 7:30 to 4:30, then again from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Then after 7 p.m. or the last 15 minutes it is mentioned, sir would place a 1 rupee coin on top of the stumps, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. So this shows, see, what is that? A 1 rupee coin on top of the stumps, and if Sachin managed to play without getting out, he would get the 1 rupee coin. And we know that time it was not a small amount, and more than that, whatever the amount, this shows the care and love of Archrekar sir. And what was the difficulty of that time? So it is mentioned in this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. So we can imagine 60 or 70 players or people fielding. There will be no gap at all. So it is very, very difficult to play without losing your wicket. So that much concentration, that much care should be there, while otherwise it is very easy to lose the wickets. Then it is mentioned, see, many times Sachin could play well. That is, winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction and taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained. Physically drained means physically tired. Even though he was very tired, he had the plan in his mind, or he had the desire in his mind to play well, and the teacher encouraged him, motivated him in all possible means. And we saw he gave him money to buy some food, and also it is mentioned that during the last 15 minutes he would place a 1 rupee coin on the stumps, and if Sachin could play well without losing his wickets, he could get the money. And Sachin could play many times, but that's why it is mentioned that that gave him immense satisfaction. And at the end of it all, Sir would tell me to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with my pads and gloves on, wearing his pads and gloves. And there is no doubt it is very difficult to run wearing the pads and gloves. That also after continuous practice. That was the last part of my training. I would be completely exhausted by the end of it. Or completely exhausted means he will be fully tired. Fully tired. It was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays, and it helped me to build up physical and mental stamina. It was a routine, not once in a week or once in a month. No, every day. That's why the term routine is used here. By every, I said it was a daily affair. What was that? That practice, the details of the practice we have seen from 7:30 to 4:30. Then again from 5 to 7, and 15 minutes batting while 60 or 70 boys fielding, and afterwards running 2 rounds around Shivaji Park wearing his pads and gloves. So that teacher gave him all the care and interest, support, motivation, etc. to form Sachin to be a famous cricketer. So we will stop for today, children, and make sure that you read it many times and answer the side questions, and you should write the questions to your notebooks. And as I told you the previous day, tomorrow there will be a test paper based on the first lesson we have completed the race. So read it many times, go through, and no doubt you have to learn the meaning and spelling of words also. That also will be asked for the examination. So exam will be at 6 o'clock evening. Okay, so that all of you can write the examinations, even though the phone is sometimes with your parents. I think that all of them will be back by 6 o'clock. Okay, so tomorrow there will be a test paper also. So make sure that you read and study that. Okay, we will stop for today. Thank you.